How to reset DNS in GoDaddy. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to reset DNS in GoDaddy. Let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Then, click on your name in the top right corner. Then after that, go to My Products. In the domain section, find the domain you want to reset and click on DNS next to it. Here, you will see a list of all your current DNS records. To reset your DNS, go back to the DNS section of the domain. Start deleting the existing DNS records by clicking on the trash icon next to each one. Just repeat this process for all the records that can be deleted or for all the records that you want to be deleted. This effectively resets your DNS settings. And that's it. You have now successfully reset your DNS in GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.